Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, welcome back. Oh, welcome back. So, Mama don't wake up. Now I want to do this unboxing. She did sleep before. She don't hear my voice. She don't wake up. So guys, welcome back. Yeah, I want to quickly unbox these items that I ordered for Oma. Like, I ordered it before they went for their salad break. All right. Yeah, I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but just know that it was during salad break. Yeah. So, yeah, this one they send it to that same cargo office that they refused to bring down my hobby's own at home. You guys remember when I dey para for my hobby own, they no bring them. Now me use my leg go collect my order. So it's still the same cargo, but this one they brought it home, but they did not send it to that office again. Mama, your order don't arrive. Your order don't arrive. I wanted to go give you food because I know you'll be hungry. Oma is here. You wanna say? You don't say? Guys, I'll be back, please. Make I go clean my baby nyash. Don't shoot. You will come and open your gift. You see what mommy ordered for you? Yeah. I'm back. Oh, Mama no shit anything. Now urine or food that pampers. I think say she cook, but she did not cook. So yeah, guys, it's okay. It's okay. Now all my life drinking water. And I making pampers the food. Water way food this cup. Mama don almost finish her. So I prepared this thing for her. Macaroni twist. She loves it. I think it's macaroni. Yeah, she loves it, and Oma also love vegetable. I make sure that I add. Please, car they pass for road though, and I open window so that this place go bright. I did not bring my ring light here. So yeah, Oma loves vegetable and she loves it. See the way she's picking it. Now they see her. She loves vegetable a lot and I love it, most especially spinach. So I always make sure that I put it in her food. Sometimes when I make noodles, I like to add vegetable for her. So guys, that is by the way before I begin talk out of points. I'm happy. Oh, my order don't arrive. Which one I go first open safe? Make I open this one. Okay. You guys are seeing me, right? If I don't see me, if I open and finish, I will just show you now one after another. So yeah. Ta-da! So this one is you guys. This is how this thing is. For brushing on my teeth. This is how it is. You guys are seeing me, right? I don't know if it's focusing because I'm using back camera. If not, I'm going to be putting the pictures for you guys. When I finish, I'll take a picture if the thing no clear. How did I open this one now? You go use your Igbo hand now. Hey God, I don't know how they are opening it though. God of mercy. I don't know how to open it. I may make it maybe this thing. Oh, he's one. The thing don't open. See, I love this thing and this thing is so nice. I will just put my hand. You guys see it? I will just put my hand. This is how it is. You guys know that, and then I will use this thing. You guys see like it's brushed, and this thing is silicone. It's not going to harm the baby teeth. It's not going to, it's just like rubber. It's not rubber. You guys know silicone now. It's silicone. Small. Oh God, it's so good. So this is how I'll be using it. I'll just put small toothpaste and use it to brush her teeth. Oh my, I love this thing. I wanted to go and buy brush for her. Toothbrush. But say sometimes that brush, I not too like for as far age. So that's why I'm still using that thing like towel where they use clean her mouth. But when I saw this thing on the app, I did order something. I say, I go order this thing sharp, and it's very cheap. I bought it 29 TL. Let me just say 30 TL in Turkey. Mom, I love. Are you a mom? Do you have this thing at home? I think it's very good. Though. You can get it for your baby. God. I'm gonna to remove and be the thing, but it's right. I know that it will expand. I don't add weight now. Even if I know it, I can use this one and So this is how it is, and it has a container. After brushing, wash it, then put it back. Chicken, ah? It's so good. Before I use it, I will sterilize it. Okay. Please, Mona, no mind how they look. Oh, I beg. I go back from now. I go bath from after this thing. Now this her order. I wanted to bath her before. I can't say no. I have to do this unboxing because now wait till I go use, bath her now. Then make I open this one. Mommy, eat. Good job, Mama. You are not using your spoon. Wow. No be small. Who go order something for me now? Now these children, now they enjoy you. Hi God, this oil. This is Johnson oil. I went to store. If you go to supermarket, sometimes their things are very expensive. So I saw this online. This is a 500 Johnson oil, 500 I don't know if they see me because I'm using back camera. This is 500 okay, Johnson oil, the one she was using before. I'm showing you guys. Thank you, Mama. Good job. The one she's using before got finished, and guys, that one a small bottle. I love this one. Before this one go finish, so that is the one inside here. So what is here? So this one is her toothpaste. I ordered it online from 0 to 2 years. Oma, by December, Oma will be 2 years. So now we are in if I tell her when I do this video now, I don't know when I go post them, but anyhow, I must still post it. So we just entered July. This is the 3rd of July. Make I just tell her. So by December, Oma will be 2 years. She will be 1 year and 7 months. On 7th of this month. My baby have been growing so well. So yeah, this is it. So let us unbox this mighty one. Who go order something for me? Oh, make I turn pikin. Oh, make una order something for me now. This one is her. Wow! You are happy, right? Yeah. Wow! So guys, this is what is inside here. This is what is inside here. My goodness. I will use this one sharp now, and So this is this is hairspray. Wow. Yes, Mama, eat. Mommy is making video. Okay, thank you. Good job. Eat. So this is a hairspray for baby Oma. This hairspray, God, this thing they chop our money. They chop all be money. They chop our money. And they tell you because hairspray. Guys, buying things online is very nice. Do you know that this thing, they buy one of this thing, the money where they take buy one, now I take buy this 3. I'm telling you guys, one of this thing I used to buy it 70 TL. I'm buying it 70 TL. But can you imagine that this 3, I bought it 100 TL. 100 TL. You see the difference? I saw 5. They are selling that 5. I think 170. I be 200 TL for 5 pieces of this. The same thing with this hair this thing. This one is shampoo and conditioner for baby. I've not used the conditioner for my baby girl. I've just been using a normal body and hair shampoo for her. Okay, that's what I'm using for her. So I've not really buy any shampoo for her, but I have to. I have been googling and searching to get shampoo, conditioner for her, because Oma has natural hair and I'm trying my best. I want to be trying my best to, maintain the hair for her. Okay, so that is it. This one, the two now is I think, how much did I even buy these two? Very cheap. I'm telling you guys, oh. Hmm? How many EM? 250 EM. So I will use this one to wash her hair. Yesterday I used the flash seed gel. That's in the coil hair. So now I use for her hair. I'm going to be uploading the remedy on her channel. Okay. So guys, yeah, that is it. So I'm so happy. This thing just came now. I've been at the oil. I've been at this spray. Eh, Mama. If you touch am immediately, hair don soft. Why goodness, the thing don detangle ozigbo ozigbo. If you have a baby girl that has a natural hair and her hair is very, strong, and anytime you are combing the hair, she's crying. I know kids, no matter how you do them, they must still cry for their hair. But sometimes Oma doesn't cry. You make I no come lie on top of my baby head. Sometimes Oma doesn't cry. Sometimes she cries. You get? Okay. So with this hair detangler, just go detangler there every supermarket. Okay. Just type kids hair detangler and it will make life easy for you if your baby girl have natural hair. Okay, so that is this, guys. Before I was using Uni Baby's touch spray, but that one is sorry, a Uni and Darling hairspray for Oma. I've been buying it in supermarkets around me here, but since I saw this one online, this is the first time I'll be trying this, and I'll be telling you guys the review. Wow. Oh wow, that's nice, baby. I'll be telling you guys the review. Yes, Mama, this is yours. All of this thing is yours. But this one we use that all of us now get this oil with this one. Everything is yours. It's remaining your cream. So her body cream will be coming tomorrow. All right, guys. Yeah, let me use voiceover and finish this video for you guys. About the cream, I canceled the order because they did not bring it on time, and I guess that the cream got finished maybe from the seller, so they didn't deliver it on time. Like it took like 2 weeks. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. It did not come, and I just have to, cancel the order. So I canceled it and they refund back the money. Before I was thinking that when I ordered this thing at once, thinking that they will bring everything together. Do you know all these things that came here? Even that my baby tutu, wait till I go take clean her mouth. They bring the order one after another. I'm like, what is all this? I did not know that when you order plenty something like this, they'll be bringing it one after another. It's only this hairspray and the body shampoo. No, not body shampoo. This conditioner now. This orange. These Avon products. It's only those ones that they bring together because I think because it's from one seller, but all this toothpaste, oil, like the way where they bring the thing one, I'm like, now wow, something where they would just package bring them. So at last I got to know that it's different people that are selling, so they cannot bring it all of them together. Share you get. So yeah, that is it, guys. I canceled the order and I'm happy that they refund back the money. So this app I the order something is very nice. Before I was afraid that maybe they no go refund the money to me, but my money did not lost. Exactly how I ordered the thing, they refund back the money. There was no story. It's just that you have to be patient for them to send the money. Okay. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, yeah, I've not buy any cream for her till now. What she's using now is still this Johnson baby oil, and it's very good on her skin. My God, Johnson baby oil is so good on my baby skin. But I'll still be getting her her body cream. Okay, but for now she'll still be using this Johnson oil because it's nice on her skin. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys, or I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Maka na ị ga-like ya. Bye, guys.